What's up, guys? Racing Animation back at it. I just got back from Mexico. I think I'm starting to like this Sunday. Wake up early in the morning, go get some runs in, then go grocery shopping in this thing. I think I'm starting to like it. Anyways, I just got done racing Venom. Go ahead and check him out on Instagram. He was PBD TUNE. Thanks to me, he won't admit it, but thanks to me, he switched to LUND because he's seen what my car can do. And so we switched over tunes to LUND, and we reran, and nonetheless, it was a great race. And the only difference between our cars is I got 331 gearing ratio, he has 373. But that's literally it. Oh, and that's probably way less than my car anyways. So other than that, man, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the like button, and comment what you guys think. Again, because of me, he switched. So let him tell you otherwise. But yeah, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe. More content coming soon. But other than that, today's just a little quick short video just to show you guys some LUND action. But other than that, you guys have a blessed day. Make sure you're wearing your mask, and make sure you're doing your social distancing. Peace. Oh, they're cold there? Yeah. Some LUND action. Clean ass car. Check 'em.